Preview.
Hi friends, I'm Parikshet. Drum, rисувам, glove. I'm vlogging the cockroach.
A cockroach. Are you afraid of cockroach?
No,
Oh yeah, it's so.
it's poisonous.
It's not poisonous,
Yeah.
but it comes from dirty places.
Yeah, we have a lot of cockroaches in our kitchen.
Where? No, we don't.
Yes,
No, we don't.
first we had.
Yeah, we had, but we got
Away.
the pesticides done, and they all went away.
Yeah.
Let's start the drawing of a cockroach.
Yeah.
I know you love cockroaches. Okay, let's start. This is gonna be a very easy drawing. I will be using a black sketch pen, a white paper, and
You go.
yeah. What is the shape of the cockroach like? See if you can recall something by looking at this.
And in drawings, cockroaches look very big, but in real life they are not. But flying, I hate flying cockroaches.
Do they fly also?
Yeah, some cockroaches fly also. They can. Some cockroaches can fly also, Papa. Knew that?
No, I did not know this.
In my daddy's house, there was a lot of flying cockroaches. Yeah. You.
Oh. You didn't get scared of them?
I used to get scared. And
So this was an easy drawing. We are done with the drawing of cockroach.
no, we're not. No, we're not.
We'll be coloring it now using the dark brown color. Oh, we are done with the drawing of cockroach. This was an easy and fun drawing of.
Why did you throw it like that?
I don't know, my mistake. I'm sorry for that. Did you enjoy the drawing? And he's wearing glasses. Okay, you want to say something to your friends?
So, friends, if you do not like and subscribe to my channel and do not share your drawings, if you want these goodies, if you don't like and subscribe my channel,
You won't get these.
no.
Then
Anyways,
Pennywise will hit us. Oh my god, tell this to your friends.
if you do not like and subscribe my channel, Pennywise is going to eat you.
Oh my god, so if you want to be safe,
Do like and subscribe my channel.
yes. Until then, have a good day. Bye bye.
This is not fake, this is true.
Yeah, this is true. You have to believe Parikshet. Because Pennywise is his friend. And you have to be scared.
Yeah.
Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye.